So if you have some questions about PERT, you know where to send them. Okay. When there's a fraction, you have to have the same bottom number. That's what you see here as the operation. And I hope that is clear. Let's go over here. And when you have a mixed number up there, like 4 with a fraction, then you multiply by 9. It's sometimes helpful to convert that into this. And you do that by going multiply the bottom and the 4 to get 12. Then you add 2. Oh boy, I blew that. That says 14. That's funny. Okay, so that should say 14 on top. Now you're supposed to multiply it, right? So there's a 14 there. And the 9 here turns into 3 by 3. So it's actually 3 times 14, which is 42. Oh, those silly math teachers. The third problem is keep, change, flip. When you see a fraction divided by another fraction, you flip the second one. There we go. You're going to flip that. And, well, you just multiply straight across. There's 48 and 45. And then because there's a 3 in both of them, we cancel that. And that's how we get the 16 over 15. When you're writing something as a decimal, the simplest thing is just to divide. 4 goes into 3. It doesn't. And then 4 times 7 makes 28. Remainder 2. And you bring down the 0. 4 times 5. And that's the decimal. Like 3/4. How to write something as a fraction? Well, anything that has percent is per cent, or 100. So you just put the number over 100. Now over here, what is 20% of? So one way to do this is just to write a sentence. What is 20% of 93? So of means to multiply. So the number equals 20%, which is 0.2, times 93, which that's how we got the 18.6. Remember, when you're multiplying by 0.2, you multiply it out, and then you move over the number of dots that you've seen. There you go. Okay, we're going into our third minute. I want you to find the perimeter going all the way around. Well, yeah, it's fun to find the 7 and 3 because that's 10. And 3 and 7, that's another 10. That was easy. And finally, let's convert. We've got 180 inches. Well, the thing I remember is 1 foot is 12 inches. So we keep going 12, 12, 12, 12. You could sort of guess it there because you know that 120 is 10 times 12, and then 60 is 5 times 12. When you add these two, you get 15 feet. That was sort of fun.